This is the Meguiar's Extreme Marine Vinyl and Rubber Protectant. You did 32-ounce bottle here, and this stuff just works great. I'm using this on pontoon boat seats, and I'm very happy with it. We cover the seats, the helm, everywhere. It just does a really nice job. I initially tried Armor All, but it was just too greasy and just too many, it was attracting too many gnats and things like that. This stuff has been great. It's not greasy at all, and it's made exactly for what we need it for. It's the vinyl and rubber protectant. It's made specifically for marine. Meguiar is a really great brand. I use some of their waxes and things like that, but overall, I'm very pleased with this. Like I said, I did start off with Armor All and switch to this one. I like the fact that you did a 32-ounce bottle here, and it's just very easy to apply. It rubs in easily, doesn't keep the greasy surface on there, and just basically you could keep everything tip-top and shiny with no issues. So definitely want to check out the Meguiar's Extreme Marine Vinyl and Rubber Protectant. You get the 32-ounce bottle here, lasts a long time. Very pleased with this stuff. Highly recommend this one.